I made this probably 20 years ago or longer, and I had made it for our grandmother. And it also had coasters, and the coasters looked just like the box. There were 4 of them, and 2 of them looked like the lid with the white and blue squares, and then 2 of them were red and white squares. And I don't remember if I had 2 more that looked like a flag. I think I just did the checkerboard. I can't remember. Anyway, as you can hear the birds outside, we're outside praying the dogs don't bark. But anyway, this is going to be a visual video. I don't have a pattern. All I can tell you is that I'll get really close to it and you can kind of count the stitches and everything to figure out how to make your own. I apologize. Like I said, this was over 20 years ago, but I know the 4th of July is coming up soon. And I thought it'd be a great time to pull them out. And I can't find the coasters and the other stuff that I made years ago, but I did happen to find this one. It is a little crushed, but hopefully it's visual video. You'll be able to figure out how to make it. So like I said, I apologize. So I'm going to get quiet here and you can enjoy the birds in the background while I video the box. Apologize for the leaves. It's on the trampoline where I do all my crafts. This is the inside, and of course all the sides are the same. Now you can run the flag this direction if you want. It'll just be like a little stumpier, but I like the full length flag personally. So. And you can make the lid match, but being that all 4 corners were blue instead of the red and white stripe, or you can do red and white stripes and do the lid blue and white if you wanted. So you can pretty much be creative with your flag, but this is what I did, and I hope you enjoyed this visual video, I hope you were able to make sense of it and get a really good count. Feel free to pause at any time on any section. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any ideas, or if you have a video of a flag that is made with plastic canvas, please comment below and say, hey, I have a flag pattern. The title of the video is whatever or something. Then we can all go over your channel and look at your video. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July. Be grateful for your freedom. Bye for now.